నేషన్ టుడే వ్యూవర్స్ అందరికీ నమస్తే. మీరు మొన్న చెప్పిన రెండు కాన్సెప్ట్స్ కూడా మీకు అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటాను, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేశారనుకుంటాను. సో చాలామంది అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే, సార్ డిఫరెంట్ డిజిట్స్ విల్ కమ్ 3 digits into 3 digits ఎలా చేస్తారు? మీరేమో అన్ని లాంగ్వేజ్ తెలుగు ఇంగ్లీష్ లాగా లెఫ్ట్ నుంచి రైట్ చేయాలన్నారు, చేస్తే కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉండదన్నారు. ఎందుకంటే రైట్ నుంచి లెఫ్ట్ చేస్తే మనకు కన్ఫ్యూజన్ వస్తుంది కదా. మనం 4తో మల్టిప్లై చేసి మళ్ళీ 4తో ఇక్కడ 6 మల్టిప్లై 4తో 3 చేసి మళ్ళీ 3తో చేసి మళ్ళీ 2తో చేస్తే మళ్ళీ అన్నీ యాడ్ చేసుకోవడానికి దగ్గర ఎన్ని స్టెప్లు పడుతున్నాయి? మనకు 4 steps పడుతున్నాయి. ఈ 4 stepsలో ఎక్కడో అక్కడ మిస్టేక్ చేయడానికి అవకాశం ఉంది. ఆ మిస్టేక్ చేస్తే మొత్తం ఆన్సర్. ఎందుకంటే మ్యాథ్స్లో యాక్యురసీ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్, స్పీడ్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. అంటే మనం 10 క్వశ్చన్లు అడిగారంటే వాళ్ళకి చేయకపోతే మనం 4 చేస్తే స్లోగా చేస్తే మన ఫుల్ మార్క్స్ రావు కదా. మనం అన్నీ చేయాలి, అదే టైంలో అవి ఇచ్చిన 3 hours మనం చేయాలి. నెంబర్ 2 కరెక్ట్గా చేయాలి. సో ఇప్పుడు మన వేదిక్ మ్యాథ్స్లో మొన్న చెప్పాను, సింగిల్ డిజిట్ ఎలా చేయాలో లాస్ట్ అంతకుముందే ఎపిసోడ్లో చెప్పాను. 2 digits అయితే ఎలా చేయాలో చెప్పాను, అవి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తుంటారు కదా. ఇప్పుడు 3 digits చెప్తాను. ఈ 3 digits వల్ల ఏమవుతుందంటే, ఎప్పుడైతే చేసామో రేపు పొద్దున 4 digits 5 digits కూడా చాలా ఈజీగా చేయగలుగుతారు. అంటే వెన్ ఇట్ కమ్స్, మీరు కనుక చూసినప్పుడు ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్ చూడగానే మీకు ఆన్సర్ రావాలన్నమాట. ఇప్పుడు ఎలాగైతే టెండూల్కర్కి ఏ రకంగా బౌలింగ్ చేస్తే ఏ రకంగా మనం చెప్పేస్తాం ఇలా కొట్టచ్చు అనేసి, కానీ బ్యాటింగ్ చేసేవాడికి ఏ బాల్కి ఎలా కొట్టాలి అని చేస్తేనే సిక్సర్ కొట్టగలడు. అలాగే ఏ ప్రాబ్లంకి ఎలా చేస్తే ఉందని మనం ఆలోచించాలి. సో మనం డిఫరెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ చెప్తాం కాబట్టి వేదిక్ మ్యాథ్స్లో ఉన్నవి, ఎందుకంటే భగవద్గీతలో 700 శ్లోకాలు ఉన్నాయి. ఈ 700 శ్లోకాల్లో ఒక శ్లోకం చెప్పడానికి 3 hours తీసుకోవచ్చు. మొత్తం అన్నీ కూడా మనం చాలా షార్ట్గా కూడా చెప్పచ్చు. అలాగే ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ చెప్పడానికి చాలా టైం తీసుకుంటుంది. అందుకే నేను స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ చెప్తున్నాను. సో సింగిల్ డిజిట్ అయిపోయింది, డబుల్ డిజిట్ అయిపోయింది, ఇది 3 digit మాట. సో ఒకవేళ ఎవరైనా ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ టైం చూసేవాళ్ళు ఉంటే మా కింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో మా లింక్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆ ప్రీవియస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ చూస్తే ఇది మీకు క్లియర్గా అర్థమవుతుంది. నౌ లెట్ us గో ఫర్ 3 digits వన్. 3 digitsలో మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే కన్ఫ్యూజన్ లేకుండా ఉండడానికి మీకు అర్థం అవ్వడానికి చెప్తాను. ఈ 3 digits అన్నప్పుడు మనకి మినిమం ఎన్ని డిజిట్స్ వస్తాయో చూసుకుని ఇక్కడ డాట్స్ కింద వేసుకోండి. అంటే తర్వాత మీరు మైండ్లో వేసుకుంటారు. ప్రస్తుతానికి ఏం చేస్తారంటే 1 2 3 4 5 మినిమం 5 digits ఉంటాయి కదా, 5 వేసుకుందాం. 5 వేసుకున్నప్పుడు 5 steps ఎలా వేద్దామంటే, ఫస్ట్ నుంచి లెఫ్ట్ నుంచి అన్నాను కదా, ద ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ లెఫ్ట్ డిజిట్స్, దట్ మీన్స్ 4 and 2 ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ డిజిట్స్ మనం మల్టిప్లై చేయాలన్నమాట. సో ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ వెర్టికల్ అండ్ క్రాస్ వైజ్. సో వెర్టికల్లీ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ దిస్ 2, ద ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్. ద సెకండ్ స్టెప్ ఈజ్ మనం 2 digitsలో నేర్చుకున్నాం ఏంది, క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్. దో సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద this one and this 2, that means 4 into 3 6 into 2, whatever the sum comes we have to put it here. The third step is extreme digits plus middle digits, the sum of the middle digits, the sum of the multiplication of extreme digits. So that will put 3 steps, but means 4 into 4 2 into 3 6 into 3. So these 3 digits will put it for middle number. Again, now 2 digits I told you we have to do it now. We have taken one term, the second one, third step you have taken, the fourth side you just close this. So this is 2 digits only. So we'll take these 2 digits, means 6 into 4 3 into 3. That's what I told you, 6 and 4 3. So when it comes here 6 into 4 3 into 3, we'll put it here. Then the fifth step is extreme right. So extreme right is 3 and 4. So maybe it will be confusing little because you are learning now. Okay, slowly you will understand when you do the more and more examples. So what I want that, now let us see the one step whatever I explained to you. What I told you, extreme left one, 4 into 2 8. Only 8 will let us always, whenever is there we are putting a slash to avoid the confusion. And secondly, whenever single digit comes we are putting 0 before that. So why it is, you later on you will understand now. So what we'll do, 4 into 2 8, we'll put 8 here. Okay, then next step is extreme, this 2 digits we are taking, means 4 2 6 2. Okay, 4 into 3 12, 6 into 2 12. Understood now? Then again adding it is a confusion. So let us put, because whenever we are normal conventional universal method, in school method we are, when we are multiplying it we are adding it. So while multiplying and adding and carrying out all this, you will make a mistake. So let us do simple way, so that we will get a correct answer. The third step I told you, extreme digits and middle digits. The extreme digit is 4 into 4, 16, 2 into 3, okay, 0, 6, 6 into 3, 18. Understood now? Then next number is these 2 digits we are taking it. So we are doing 6 into 4, 24, 3 into 3, 9, but we are putting 0, 9. Then next step, fifth step is 4 into 3, 12. You got it now? So it is very simple. Suppose you are making a mistake also, you can cross check where you have made a mistake. Okay. Now let us see, these steps we will be doing it mentally in mind itself, in when you have become an advanced stage. But initially for understanding I given like this. Okay. మీకు అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటాను. ఒకవేళ I request parents to also kindly see 2-3 times, so that you, because I cannot tell for half an hour like this, because nowadays people are for టీవీలో ఒక సాంగ్ 3 నిమిషాలు వస్తేనే ఛానల్ మార్చేస్తున్నారు. సో నేను అరగంట చెప్పలేను కాబట్టి I made it short. So you have to again repeatedly see this to understand now. So what we'll do now, carrying it. Now whatever the digit is there, we are putting 2. Understood? Again 1 is there, we are carrying 1. 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, we are putting 4. 1 is there, 1 I am carrying it. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 9, 15, 23. So I am carrying the 2 here. Understood now? Then again 2 plus 1, whatever the 10th place is there, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4, 6, 8, that I am putting 8 here. Again this 10th place is there, 1, 2 and 2 plus 8, 10 I am putting. So it is 1,08,342. So that is the correct answer. What happened in the school methods, we are multiplying with 4, multiplying with 3, multiplying with 2 and adding it. So in between carrying it, all this headache. Now immediately by seeing that you will get the answer. So 1,08,342. You can try in your conventional method also, answer will come. So you one more example I will tell you, so that when, because in small numbers easy, when the bigger number comes, how to do it now. 836 into 924. Again this method, extreme left is 8 into 9. How much it is? 72. Okay. Then next one is 8 into 2, 16, 9 into 3, 27. Okay, I put here. Then again next step is extreme corner numbers, 4 into 8, 32. Okay. Then 9 into 6, 54, 3 into middle numbers, 3 into 2, 6. Understood now? Again next step now, 4 3 is 12, 2 6 is 12. Okay. This we have taken this 2. Then last extreme right, 6 and 4, 4 6 is 24. Understood now? So from left to right we are doing this, so no confusion now. Now what we have to do, we just have to add the number to get the answer. So we will take 4 here like this, directly 4, 2, whatever 10th place is there, we are carrying 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. Okay. Then again 1 is there, 1 1, 2 2 2, 4 4 4, 8 8 plus 6, 14, 1 we are carrying it. This 1 is there, 6 6 3, 9, 15, 7, 22, 2 we are carrying, we are putting 2 here. Again 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, whatever the leftover is a 7. So it is 7,72,464. So you can, without making any mistakes, you can get the answer. So even if it is a 6 digits also, there is another formula I will tell you. So instead of making so much confusion now, you can get the answer. So you may say that, sir, what is the use of this? Okay, definitely some people say, suppose I don't need it because I have a calculator, everybody is having smartphone, they will put it. But people need these children, they need this one, because see, when we are giving this one, some people ask me what is the use. Now by giving this, What happens when you know two methods? Suppose I make a mistake here, I know conventional method, I can cross check it. Suppose that method is right, you can cross check it. So definitely you get the correct answer. Usually human being we may make mistake. So if you should know two methods. So this is a easy method. In advanced stage you will be able to know what is the benefit of this. Okay. Now another let us take one more example. Somebody asked me, sir, if it is 2 digit into 3 digit, what to do? It is very simple, same formula we will use it. So here 2 digit is 38, 3 digit is 947. So what we are putting, instead of 38 we are making a 0. So this is become 3 digit now. So now again same step, extreme this 0 into 9, 0. Okay. The next step is 4 into 0, 0, 9 into 3, 27. Understood? Now again third step, 0 into 7, 0, 9 into 8, 72, 4 into 3, 12. Another next step is this 2, 3 into 7, 21, 4 into 8, 32. Then extreme right, 8 9 8 7 56. Understood now? Again now carrying it. See, balancing is very very important. Other day I told you in the episode 5, balancing is must. If you know the balancing, you will be able to get the right answer. So balancing you must practice, and how to do additions, subtractions, multiplications, divisions, later on I will be able to teach. I cannot teach everything now, because when we go for buffet, so many dishes are 60 dishes, you cannot eat anything. In house one curry you will eat satisfaction. So one by one I will teach now. So I will teach you how to do addition also, that easy methods I will teach now. Now let us take this step. So this is 6, okay. That 10th digit is there, we are carrying it, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Understood now? Again now, nothing carrying is there, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 I am carrying here, 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. So I am putting 9. Again next step is 10th digit, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 1 I am carrying, 2 plus 1, here 0 is there, 3. So 35,986. So 2 digit into 3 digit also you can do it by putting a 0 using this formula. This is called vertical and crossways. This is in our Vedic maths, it is there. Now one more example I will tell you. Suppose it is a 867 into 43. To understand now again what you have to do, the first step is extreme left. So 8 zeros are 0. Okay. Now again 4 6 into 0, 0 0. 8 4s are 32. Next step is extreme corner numbers and middle number. 8 into 3, 24, 0 into 7, 0, 6 into 4, 24. Then again next step is 6 into 8, 18, 7 4 is 28, 7 3 is 21. Understood now? Again now balancing. On balancing you will get the answer. So balancing I told you in the cycle also, suppose you are buying the walking also, if you are losing a balance you will fall down. Understood now? So balancing is required. In the cycle also, in maths also balancing is required. So here balancing, how you are doing it now, you are carrying the 1 as it is, this 10th digit whatever is there, we are carrying to this number, 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 1 is there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 I am carrying here, 4 plus 8, 8 plus 4, 12, I am putting 2 here, carrying 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, I am carrying again 7. Again here 10 digit is there, 3 I am carrying here, there is nothing is there, so 3. So 37,281. So what we are doing it, any 3 digit into 2 digit, 2 digit into 3 digit, 3 digit into 3 digit, with one step you can make it. You will say, sir, this is because instead of making 4 steps, you are making in 2 steps the answer. Okay. Now how you say no? Now I will tell you how you will be able to do it mentally. So when you go in longer run, after when you become practicing, when you become perfect after practicing it, now 132 into 213, what I have to do? I have to multiply with 3, I have to multiply with 1, I have to multiply with 2. So these 3 steps I cannot make it. By seeing itself I can make now, because what I mean, 2 1 just 2, I am putting 0 2. This I am doing it in mind, okay. For our understanding purpose I have written here. So 2 1 just 2, okay. 2 3 just 6 plus 1 7, okay. Now here I am putting 0 7 means 1 6. Again here 0 3 0 2 2 just 4 1 3 just 3. Understood now? Then 3 3 just 9 1 1 2 just 2 0 2 and 2 3 just 6. Understood now? So this I am putting now. The 6 I am carrying it. Okay. The 6 I am carrying it here. And 9 2 1 11 1 I am carrying 1 4 8 8 plus 3 1 11 1 carrying 1 again 2 2 plus 8 8. Then again this is nothing, this thing I am carrying here 28,116 28,116. So this step you can do it in mind itself. So this is the way you can practice. After practicing, you know, because I request all the people, only merely seeing and enjoying will not work out, because for the students it is very very important. So I request all of you, kindly for your children you give 3-4 examples daily, 3-4, let them do it in the time based. Who will do fast? You have 2 children, you teach them, you spend half an hour, 1 hour. When you teach them, who will do fast, they will say. So they should have fastness also, speed also, accuracy also. So here they will see, they will cross check it. The moment they will become fun for them, they started enjoying the maths. So even the simple methods in the higher, when they go for higher, no, this will be very very amazing. What happened now, when they do this one, they can follow their other fellow students will clap for them. It will give self confidence for them, it will encourage, and in turn they will get success. Thank you very much. Any doubts, any regarding this one, kindly comment, put your comment, and if you like it, kindly put like, so that it will be encouragement for others also. And if suppose anybody is having any doubt, you can see our previous episode links, all the links whatever is there with the Vedic maths, whoever is missing now, we will be putting in the description. You can see whatever the episode 1 2 7 8 9, whatever this one, almost next 10 episodes we will be teaching many methods. So please follow us. Thank you very much.
మరిన్ని లేటెస్ట్ అప్డేట్స్ కోసం సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.